Hi, and welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series, created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. In this video, we focus on adding a new character. Let's give it a try.
From the menu on the left side, select Characters. And then, from the drop-down menu, click Add a new character. Or select the Add Character button in the far right corner. Upload an image of your character if desired. This can be selected from your desktop or device. Now you can enter any relevant information about this character. Then, click Save Changes. You'll be returned to the character list where the character you added most recently will appear first. You can then select the image of the character and drag it to the desired position.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.